For those of you who have used Inkscape in the past, you know that there is the ability to create shapes and edit shapes using your nodes. Now, Fireworks has some similar tools, but instead of calling them nodes, or smooth nodes, or pointy nodes, they call them points, and they call them straight points and curved points. So I'll give you a quick little demonstration as to how this works in Fireworks. I'm going to start by choosing my rectangle tool. And I'm simply going to draw a rectangle on this side under the straight points and a circle or an oval or an ellipse on this side. Now you'll notice when you click on them with your regular selection tool, you have your regular corner points, which you can't change, but if you click on this sub-selection tool, you will be able to, once you say OK to ungroup that shape, you will be able to move your nodes around as shown. So you can take those nodes, position them wherever you want, and they work just like nodes in Inkscape. I can do the same thing with my curved surface. I'm going to grab those nodes and move them around. Now you may notice right away that the difference here is that on the curved surface I get selection handles. On the straight points I do not. Okay, so how do I switch straight points to curve points to give me the option of moving and adjusting with more control? Well, that's pretty straightforward. If I take my Bezier tool, or pen tool in this case, I can click on my object and add nodes. Now those nodes will still be straight point nodes, but in order for me to adjust that to a curve point node, I take my pen tool again and I just click on that node and I drag. And that instantly gives me the handles to create a curve point. And the opposite occurs. If I click on that curved point node and don't drag, it goes back to a straight point. And I can do the exact same thing here on my curve point example. So there's my oval. I have my curved points. I go to my pen tool and I just click once and it becomes a straight point. That gives me sharp edges. Okay, so there we have it. You can add and subtract nodes using your pen. Add, click on it again, and I subtract. All right, let me subtract one here. Select my object, there's my pen,